We just created this in just 2 minutes. Are you ready to learn about a free AI art generator that can create this, or even this by feeding the right prompts? Here's the deal. It's incredibly easy to use, completely free, and with some basic knowledge that this video will give you, you will be able to create beautiful pieces of art yourself. Okay, so the easiest way to access this is using Discord. If you don't have Discord already, you can head on over to discord.com and simply download it. If you are not familiar, it's like WhatsApp for communities. Once you fill this out, you have a Discord account and we can get to using Midjourney. Okay, now that you have a Discord set up, you need to join the Midjourney server to use this. As promised, it's going to be super simple. You just go to discord.gg/midjourney. The link is in the description below. Once you can confirm the invite, you just join the Midjourney Discord server, and this is by far the easiest way to interact with it. All you need to do is go into one of these newbie channels and type /imagine. Now I get to tell it the keywords of what I want to generate. Okay, so I went with the dragon riding scenario here, and now I'll give it 2 instructions that will make the result very realistic and detailed. Okay, one last thing to get the best result, you have to type --v/4. That tells it to use version 4 of Midjourney, which will give you the best results. Additionally, I also tell it --AR 2x3. This picks the aspect ratio, and you have the option of 2x3, 1x1, or 3x2. Hit enter, and now we wait. There you go. Wow. Okay, so now you get 9 more options. U stands for upscale, which means if I like one of these, it scales it to full resolutions. And V stands for I like this version, create 4 more like that. And these arrows you got it wrong, go over again. So I'm thinking version 3 right here is closest to my vision. So I'll just say V3. Okay, not bad. I think number 2 is a winner. So I'll go ahead and say upscale 2. And there you have it. You can generate 25 of this for free. After that, it costs $10 per month to get 100 of this, which also means you to generate them privately, as this is public. If I go to this message, say add a reaction, and use the email emoji, the bot will DM me the full resolution picture, and we just created this in just 2 minutes. Next up, you might want to check out this playlist with AI beginner content. See you there.